Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You see your girl Benny of Benny's Kitchen. Hope everyone is doing fine because we are all preparing for the festive season and I want every person to be so fine. Please, if you just stumbled on my channel for the first time, please subscribe. If you have been following me, thank you so very much. Keep liking my videos and keep sharing my videos. It will just motivate me to bring out more recipes. So today we are preparing this banana chin chin, no sugar and no egg, and I tell you it's so yummy. So watch me to the end to see how I made this. So guys, for the banana chin chin we are going to be using these ingredients. I have flour here, banana, condensed milk, butter, lemon juice. I have a milk powder here. Then I have baking powder, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg and some ginger. So what I'm going to do first is for me to mash this banana with my fork. Mash it to be so smooth. You can see these bananas are ripe. So if you have bananas in your kitchen, don't just eat bananas alone. You can make some banana chin chin with them. So you mash very well until there are no lumps. If you have a masher, you can use a masher. But you can see I'm using a fork. You can see the bananas are thoroughly mashed and it's okay now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add all the dry ingredients to the flour. I've already sealed the flour. So this is cinnamon, this is nutmeg, baking powder, salt and ginger powder. I'll add everything, use my hand to combine it very well. Then I'll add the milk powder, mix it very well. You can see there's no egg on my table and there's no sugar. So this is banana chin chin with no egg and no sugar. So this is well mixed now. I'll add in the butter here. Then rub it very well until it becomes like crumbs. Allow the butter to mix very well. So this is what we are looking for. You can see how it's looking like crumbs. This is done. I'll now make a kind of well in the bowl, then pour in the banana. And I'll be pouring in the lemon juice, then condensed milk. Then I'll combine everything together. And then this will now form a dough. But if it's not enough, you can use water to combine it, then to now make a very good dough. So you can see I'm still mixing. It formed a dough, but it's looking somehow as in still dry. So I just rinse the cup of the condensed milk and I'll be adding some, then keep on mixing until I get a smooth dough. You can see what we have now. There's no crumbs lying in the bowl again. everything is formed very well. And this is what I'm looking for. So now I'm going to allow this to rest for 20 minutes before I come to roll it. So I'll leave it like this and to rest for 20 minutes. So guys, after 20 minutes I'm back, so we can start rolling. So I'll now sprinkle some flour on my fork surface. I've already cleaned it. I'll share it into two because it might be too difficult for me to roll. Get your rolling pin. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use a clean bottle or anything that is smooth that can roll it. When you are rolling, don't roll it to be too fat. Let it be in between, not too fat and not too thin. So guys, this is what we have here. So I'll get my pizza cutter and I'll cut out. If you don't have a pizza cutter, you can use your knife to cut. Just that the pizza cutter makes it so easy for you to cut your chin-chin very fast. Back then we used to use knife to cut, but with this pizza cutter you can cut it so fast, and you can cut it into any shape or any size that you want. So I'm done here, and the frying pan is on the fire and the heat is on, so go and fry. So when you want to pack them, you just sprinkle some flour in a bowl or in a tray and then pack them in. So this is what we'll have. So guys, the oil is hot now. You can see I just threw in one to know if it's hot. So I'll just pour in the cut chin-chin now and let it start frying. When it is golden brown, you are good to take them out from the oil. And when you're frying chin-chin, you have to use a deep fry method for it. So my people, see what we have here. We are still frying and waiting for it to be golden brown until we bring them out. When you are frying, don't fry on high heat. If you do that, your chin-chin will get burnt. So I'm frying on medium heat. So guys, it's golden brown and I'll bring them out now before it starts burning. Because when they start cooling, it becomes dark. So don't allow it to get so dark before you bring them out. So I'll put them in my paper towel so it can drain out the excess oil. See how fine these chin-chin are? Wow! The aroma in my kitchen is so amazing. So my people, this is our banana chin-chin. No sugar, no egg. It's soft and at the same time just so crunchy. You can try yours and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next. Bye bye.